Hi, second graders. Happy Friday. So your learning target today is I can solve word problems involving lengths and how to use a number line diagram to add and subtract within 100. So I want you to think back to when we were measuring how long things were. Okay, so what types of things did we measure? Go ahead and say it out loud. What units did we use? Or what units did you use when you were measuring? Inches, feet, centimeters, yards, and meters. So I am going to name a unit that we can use to measure length. And when I say that unit, I want you to show me with your hands how long each unit is. Okay, so I'm going to tell you each unit, and then I want you to show me with your hands how long each unit is. Show me what 1 centimeter looks like. Show me what 1 inch looks like. Show me what 1 foot looks like. Show me what 1 meter looks like. Show me what 1 yard looks like. Okay, so this is what your length should have been. Something kind of like this. This isn't totally accurate, but if you grabbed a ruler in your house, you could see 1 full foot for the ruler. Okay, so how many inches are in 1 foot? 12 inches are in 1 foot. This just gives you an idea of how big 1 centimeter is, right here, how big 1 inch is, and how big 1 foot is. Okay, so a whole ruler is 1 foot. Now, when we compare 1 foot to 1 meter, it looks like this. So think about this 1 foot lined up with a meter stick. Okay, so look how much smaller 1 foot is compared to 1 meter. But today we're going to focus on word problems that are using labels with units of measurement. Okay, so for example, when you're reading a word problem, I want you to visualize how big visualize the length of the objects that are in the word problem. Okay, so if it's talking about centimeters, visualize how big it might be if it was 20 centimeters, or if it said that they're measuring in feet, visualize how big the object would be if it was 3 feet. So the numbers in these problems are less than 100, so it should be easier to add or subtract. When you are solving the problems, you can write an equation, you can make a math mountain, or you can draw comparison bars to show the problem situation.